Want to make your PowerPoint slides looks modern, stylish and professional without spending hours? Today, we are going to show you how to create a beautiful beehive pattern slides in a few minutes. And trust me, it looks amazing and it's super easy. Right click on the slide, go to Format Background, choose Picture or Texture Fill. Now, insert a beautiful image from your files. Go to Shape, select Rectangle and drag it to cover the entire slide. Insert a hexagon shape from the Shape menu, resize and position it. Then, duplicate it multiple times to build a honeycomb pattern. Once done, group all hexagons, align middle, and then ungroup again. Insert a text box, type your title, for example Beehive, change the font to something bold, increase the size to 180 and align it middle. Now, select all the hexagon shapes, go to Merge Shape, select Subtract. This will cut the beehive pattern into your shape. Remove the outline, set the fill color to black and keep the transparency at 30%. Click on slideshow and see the magic. Now you have a stunning modern slide that's clean, creative and perfect for visual impact. That's how you design a beehive style cutout slide in PowerPoint effortlessly. It's perfect for business decks, portfolio slides or creative presentations where you want to stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment if you want the editable file, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome PowerPoint tutorials every week. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.